impama-ke from i-girlfriend ka-DJ Thomas, njengoba no-Thomas naye eyiwinile isibhakele from uTipuzi. Hello everyone, welcome back to Side Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Skeem Saam from the 2nd to the 6th of June 2025 on Monday. Alfred uses packs to score some cheap points. Thomas shows no remorse for what he did to Mapitsi. Dr. Blue lets Lehasa in on her thought. And on Tuesday, Pretty is on the right track with work choices while second-guessing some personal choices. Mapitsi is left utterly shocked by Tipo's revelation on Wednesday. Maggie fears Tipo's decision about his marriage may be a mistake. Lehasa plots his revenge against those responsible for his hospitalization on Thursday. Mapitsi is willing to do whatever it takes to save her marriage. Celia's aunt drops a bombshell on Alfred. Lehasa aims to get rid of his enemies without resorting to violence, but Craig disagrees on Friday. Alfred is determined to confront Celia, but a shocking revelation leaves him devastated. Sykes put Pavarotti to the ultimate test. Mapitsi confront the harsh reality of her downfall. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.